Hello, everyone. I'm Rachel, your SQL instructor at the QA Online Academy. It's so good to have you back in our digital coffee house. Before we serve up today's lesson, make sure you've reviewed the select top statement from our previous session. It's a vital foundation. Today, we're serving up something special: aggregate functions. These allow you to perform calculations across multiple rows to get a single summarized value. Whether you're counting entries or calculating totals, aggregate functions are the key to high-level data analysis and reporting. First, let's look at the count function. It's used to return the number of rows that match your criteria, which is perfect for inventory or user logs. In this example, we're counting every product in our database. It's a simple query that yields a very powerful number for any manager. Next is the sum function. Just like calculating the total for an order, it adds up all the values in a numeric column to give you a grand total. Here, we're totaling the entire quantity of items sold. This is essential for tracking sales performance and stock movement in real time. To find the middle ground, use the AVG function. It calculates the arithmetic mean of a numeric column, helping you identify trends and patterns. In this query, we're finding the average price across our entire product range. It's a key metric for understanding your market positioning. Finally, we have min and max. These functions are your go-to for finding the smallest and largest values in any set of data instantly. Whether you need to find the lowest cost or the highest score, these functions provide the range of your data with a single line of code. Now, it's your turn to brew a query. Open PyCharm and find the total number of customers who live in London. Your time starts now. And here is the solution. I hope you all managed to solve that. Remember, the where clause is your best friend when counting specific data. That wraps up our masterclass on aggregate functions. Join me next time as we dive into the like statement to master pattern matching. Don't forget to practice at home and review our previous chapters. Subscribe to our channels and leave your feedback below. Visit our website for more masterclasses. I've been Rachel. Stay brilliant and keep learning every single day. Goodbye for now.